Hey, Vicky.
Navigating Twin Lakes just got a little easier.
I'm showing them how the track chair works so that more people can see them. I know this place like the back of my hand.
With his track chair, Jordan Simon can go anywhere.
I only got it stuck 5 times. Seeing what it could do.
Well, maybe not anywhere.
Oh well. When you're a sportsman and you're stuck on the asphalt, it's not very much fun.
Simon's first accident was 3.5 years ago.
I was less than a mile from here, from my home, and I was driving out the lake road. I had a buddy's dad in front of me. I had friends behind me, and then family friends coming the other way, and the tree hit me right in between them all. So it could have been any one of us.
The chances?
1 in a million. But I'm stubborn, I'm still here.
Still here and thankful for his new freedom.
Kind of shocked because it was given to me, and it's a $17,000 chair, which most people can't afford, especially when they're in the situations we're in.